Vai tchau, Tina. Nonna, guarda. Guarda, va. Già visto. So guys, I went to do small shopping, for Coop, and they are doing a offer for all this pasta. So I ended up buying things I don't need, but since they are doing offer, so that is it. So now I will go on and put it in the containers, though I have pasta already inside, since they are on your feet, and this pasta is very, very good. Barina. I don't know what I pronounce it, but it's very good, So that is it. So guys, it's me that is doing shopping now for my children, So anytime that I see they are doing offer in supermarkets, I will just rush and buy some things and keep in case before offer on at the corner of so if you see where they are doing offer, rush and buy in quantity and keep. I also bought their Miranda for their breakfast. I bought a lot of things. So that is it. So guys, how you all are doing? Hey, my Facebook people, my family. Hey, thank you all so much. I'm still happy. I'm still celebrating my 10K subscribers. Love you, and my God will bless you all. And I continue growing. After 10K, boom. And almost my video, 2 of my video is going viral like this, It's going viral, not that too much, but let us be contented, This Facebook thing is not easy. No, sorry, I say Facebook. YouTube is not easy. Facebook is little bit easy, Yes. So that is it. But we'll continue pushing. What can we do? Guys, see me here with this eyeglass. Don't mind me, I went to pharmacy, then I saw one lady buying eyeglass. I asked her, why are you buying it? Are you not seeing well? She told me that, no, this one, it's just to see if you are not seeing things very well far, things that is far, So I ended up buying my own too. So we can wear my vlog today. It's very nice. It can go with casual, I love the way it is. I don't remember look like a monitor. So that is it. So guys, continue watching. It's okay. Here I'm putting their breakfast things and their Miranda things. So, and they also bought paste, milk for myself because my children don't take milk. And I bought this risotto rice, So that is it, guys. Continue watching.
Mommy.
Vieni.
Mommy, foto.
Molto rabbia, piano, molto rabbia. Là, tu guarda, vieni, andiamo. Vieni.
Mommy, foto.
Vieni, dai, molto no con.
Ah.
Vai, vai. Listen, baby, mommy do over there. Anything.
It's very small. It's very small for you now. Oh, hello plane. I want to travel the plane. Aeroplane tu la rumego. Vai ciao Tina. Nonna, guarda. Guarda va. Già visto? No, vai di là, davanti. Go! You fall down again. So guys, you guys know that I'm changing things that is in my house. You know, this is my toilet. I changed my bath because my old one is this old model, so they are not changing it to put new model. You know, where we are bathing is very small. You know, this one over here is very small, so you can contain us again. So my landlord decided to change it. We will close here. We were keeping my washing machine, you know. So he will change it so that we will start using the big side. Don't worry, you see it when they are done. So that is it. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's giving. Now we can bath, you know, and enjoy our bathing when we are bathing. This thing costs us 4-5, but it's half. We paid half. Our landlord will pay half. Can you see? But they said we will not use it after 2 days. You can use it. Can you see? So this is enough space. Can you see space here? So I have chest, you know, that will keep here for our towel, you know. So that is it. Even I will add something for soap. I thought they will add a chest, you know, for soap and a sponge. So that is it. Let me show you very well. Can you see it? We have enough space now. This is our washing machine. So washing machine will go inside here. Inside here. You know? So guys, things the order is changed just arrived. Swami Bedere. Huh? Okay. No, can do more. Let's go with you. Huh? Do you like it? Good, yes. Back to school dress, shopping. You thought, paper. It's fine. See, I'm going to now. You see your top.